All right, see ya.
Bye-bye.
See ya, I love you. Alright, so my son Andrew and I are hitting the road for 12 days. I think 12 days, going out east a little bit and then up into Colorado. And I'm gonna record all this and probably make no videos. So if you see this, you're lucky. So we're ready to go. I got my CVO Road Glide. Son's got his Pan America. So it should be a fun ride. Anyway, we're gonna get going before it gets 100 degrees here in Phoenix.
There they go.
Never been through there before?
Nope. I think that's the first time.
That was a beautiful ride, huh?
Yeah. It's a good spot.
Yeah, so this is US 60. It goes out of Phoenix. And you can take that all the way up through the Salt River Canyon and up north into middle of New Mexico, I guess. US 60 actually goes all the way across the country somewhere. But we're here just outside of Globe and Miami. Just taking a little break. It's been a nice cool ride. I think temps got down to 75.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah. There's just this little roadside, whatever they call these. Ruben Gypsy Licano, United States Army 101st Airborne, is the builder of this shrine. That's interesting. Oh, there's Gypsy, Ruben Gypsy Licano. That's his picture right there.
Who's that?
I don't know. He's the builder of this shrine.
Oh. Neato.
And evidently, he passed away in 2019. What in the world? Was that an MT-10?
Yeah. It's really buzzing.
Like I said, we're here in Miami, and there's a sign right up here that says hometown of Congressional Medal of Honor recipient Staff Sergeant Manuel Mendoza from World War II. It's pretty interesting. It's breakfast time. We're going to Judy's Cookhouse here in Globe, which is kind of a dual, not really city, dual town, Globe and Miami, right next to each other. So, time to eat. So biscuit and gravy, with an egg in there. I'm gonna hit Safford next, which is about an hour, hour and a half. And it's starting to warm up. I think it's maybe 90, but we're still kind of in the higher country, so it's pretty decent so far. Once we get moving, it'll be a lot better. But as soon as Andrew gets out here, we'll be hitting the road.
So every time I come out this way on the bike, I have to stop at this Bylass rest area. And it's a good stopping point between Globe and Safford. It's like 45 minutes from Globe, 45 minutes to Safford, so it's right in the middle. But just taking a little break, getting some water. It's getting to be about 95, I think, right now. Andrew's having a good time.
Yeah.
Got this cool little helmet. We are maybe 15-20 miles from the New Mexico border. I think it's AZ 78. Don't quote me on that. But we just pulled over. I wanted to send the drone up. We're gonna lose an hour in about 20 minutes. At our destination, it's 12:15, but we're like an hour and 20 minutes out, so not too bad. And then we'll hang out around Silver City for the night. $299 miles today. How do you feel?
Butt sore.
Yeah,
I'm hot.
it's a little warm. But we're checking in at this Holiday Inn Express in Silver City. Dumping our bags because the room is ready, and then we're gonna go see a couple sites, hit a brewery, and we'll see what happens. Maybe cause some trouble.
Hit the town
I don't think the town of Silver City is ready for a couple dudes like us. That's stupid. outside Silver City, New Mexico, there's the old Fort Bayard, and it's a historic site now, so we can come in and take a look, and you can see all the old, I'm assuming they're maybe officers' houses or something, but there's a bunch of them still standing. And they got some other things around here, a little statue out that direction. And there's a cemetery, a national cemetery out here. So we're just gonna kind of walk around for a couple minutes and read some of the signs that they have posted. All right, Sally Port, circa 1870, located on the southwest corner of the parade ground, which is probably where that little bit of dirt is. So the Veterans Hospital, constructed between 1922 and 1925. It's the Fort Bayard Museum and Commanding Doctor's Home. Yeah, it is super eerie just seeing all these old houses. That's got to be like the headquarters command center. We're now downtown Silver City. It's kind of an old downtown, but we're going over to this Little Toad Creek Brewing and Distillery. We'll see if the cop stops and says, "You are on the other side of the yellow line."
Your helmet is.
The helmet is, barely. I mean, it depends on where, yeah. A little pulled pork sandwich. Andrew got the New Mexican Reuben. That looks, I should have gotten that. Join us next time as we head to the bikes, go under a tunnel, and visit a mine. It's an industry leader. Big old tire. And we see dogs, great views. And I almost ate it. Missiles, white stuff, and we have a beer.